So today I will be going to demonstrate my assignment 3, that's VRDIL's application of JavaScript. So create a page that shows information of top 5 VRDILs, and you need to create a product.json file and need to host it on GitHub. So let me quickly show you my product.json file. So you can see over here I have hosted my JSON file on GitHub, and this is how my JSON file looks like. So I have created an array in which I have given the ID, the name, the price, and the description, and the image link over here. So let's quickly go to the VRDILs page and reload it. So here I am fetching the deals from the JSON file. That's over here, the deal 1, deal 2, deal 3, deal 4, and deal 5 to the HTML page. So let's quickly go to the code. So in the index.html I have just created a header in which, and after that header I have created a division class and just added some bootstraps link over here, and added some bootstrap classes. So I have created a function over here, function get data, which will return the get data. So I have created a URL first, and I have given this URL of my JSON file over here. After that I have fetched the URL, and I am checking the response over here if the URL is returning the data or not. After that over here I have returned the data. So just to make sure if the data is returning or not, I have printed the data out in the console.log method. After that I have created an HTML element in which I have appended my data, that's the deals array over here, in the using map function, and I have passed an user as a parameter over here, which would return the ID, the URL, the name, the price, and the description, in which I have used the bootstrap card view over here, and I have added the classes for the card view. After that I have added this join because as my JSON data was in array, and after each ID there was the comma over here. So because of that, it was displaying in the index.html file itself like deal1 comma deal2 comma deal3. So I have passed an empty string. I have joined an empty string over here, so it would replace the commas in the JSON array. After that I have appended this the HTML element after the header tag in the JSON, after the header tag in the index.html, and I have thrown an error over here. I have catched an error over here at the end.